Hello folks, in this video we are going to show how to create a Maven project. This is sort of continuation of the other two sessions we had, where we created a project using command line commands, the Maven archetype generate, Maven compile package, Maven clean, etc. Right? And then we took the application and we brought it into Eclipse and we ran it and it worked fine, right? So that's our demo app, which I've closed out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a very similar app, but from here in Eclipse, and it'll be a lot faster and it's a lot easier. So I'll go to File, New, Maven Project, or you can find it in the other. To take the default workspace, and in here I'm going to take the Maven archetype quick start. This was the 677 in the command in the console. Okay, if you don't see it right away, type Maven here or quick start or one of these and you can see it. Okay, same thing, group ID, we give it the group ID. Artifact ID will be our app name, so I'm going to call it Eclipse demo app. It's snapshot. We can change it to release if we decide to release, and then it's adding this here, but I think for consistency we're going to remove this guy, and we got com.goshalacademy.maven. Okay, we hit the finish, and I got a warning here, and it's saying that it's trying to use J2SE 1.5 and there's no GRs installed, so it really needs to be 1.8. Okay, so I'm going to click here, go to build path, not properties, let me go here, and the execution environment is saying this thing. I'm going to change it to my 7.3. Okay, all right, no, sorry, what am I putting here? Where's my, there you go. All right, and it goes away. So make sure that your GRE system is matching. Don't know, I think they need to upgrade because it needs to sort of match. Okay, but for compatibility reasons probably they've left it at 1.5, but 1.8 will do the trick. So here we are. Let's run the application, and you can see all these Maven commands here, right? Maven build, clean, and things like that. But I'm going to run it as a Java application, and it's saying which one. There are these JUnit things. I'm going to take the app.com and run it, and it is saying hello world. Okay, so it works. The next thing we did was we added a Hibernate dependency, right? So we're going to do the same thing here again. So let me just go ahead and add the dependency. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll copy the dependency from this guy. Again, if you remember, the way to get these dependencies was to come to mvnrepository.com, search the import you're looking for or the jar you're looking for, and then you get this guy. So let me just copy from here, go back here. Let me go ahead and close this guy out so that we do close project, and I can open this guy and I can add it here. Now we'll watch something fun. Okay, so I have Maven dependencies and there's just a JUnit here. Okay, so once I hit the save, I think this guy will start downloading all these jars. So let me hit the save, and we basically are downloading. It immediately went out and downloaded these jars. Again, these are in my local repository, so it will it came down very fast. Okay, if there are big jars, you're on a slow internet connection, and you are connected, you can see these things downloading one by one. So it's quite interesting and fun to watch. Okay, we are here. We obviously have the jars we need, so let's go ahead and add our Hibernate thing, right? So we wanted to do a session factory here, right? And it finds the jar. sorry about that. And if you run the application again, and there are a lot of entry points, but we basically are running this particular class. And here is go. We have our hello world, and it works. So as you can see, it's a lot easier to do things here from Eclipse, and you didn't have to deal with all these different dependencies, right? Because we put the session factory, it knows what all it needs, it downloads them, and we're good to go. So that's it. I think in the future we might post more videos, perhaps for a web app, but it's very simple. You pretty much start out like this, and you add your as you need things in the dependencies here, and you can get going with this. If you have any questions, please feel free to add it in the comment section, and hope to see you in the next video.